today is lesson number boom boom. And this lesson...
5. It's lesson 5.
Is it 5?
Yes.
Thank you, Uncle Pete. Lesson 5. And lesson 5 is about chemistry. And what we're going to do is to make bubbles. And the way we're going to do it is to get an acid, vinegar, a base, baking soda, put them together, and it'll make gas in water. And the bubbles will form around the gas, and they'll come to the top of the little bottle here. How's that, Mouse? Good, like it. Okay, good. Now, first thing we do is we get a cup, a whole cup. Ooh, a cup. Yep. We get a whole cup of vinegar, which is acid. Very good. Oh, you're such a good student. Oh, this is great. Okay, that's the acid. And what's this? Base. Right, the base. The base, the acid. The acid, nope, the acid, the base. We put it, it's all about the base. Okay, now let's go. We're going to put in 4 tablespoons of base into the bottle. 1, you want to count for me? Sure. 2. What's this, Mousy? 3. And this one? 4. Very good, Mousy. That's exactly right. And now, put this down. And now, this is the big one. You get to pour in the acid. Are you ready? Okay, here it goes. Stand back. Stand back. Be careful. It could be serious. Here it goes.
Whoa!
Look at that. That is pretty. That was. Woo! Now, Mousy, I think we can kick it up a notch. We're going to put in. We're putting in a dog. That's what we're going to do.
Hush! Hush! Hush!
There are dog helpers. So we're going to put in more base, right? Okay. Oh, we're going to also put in soap. Soap. Yes, soap. The soap is going to make the bubbles tougher and bigger and better. Okay. Are you afraid? Yes. Don't worry, it won't be bad. We're gonna clean up this, and we're gonna do it again, but this time with soap. Ooh. Okay. Okay. All right. Here it comes. Ready to go, Mousy. Are you excited? Yes. Okay, good. All right. Put you back on my finger here. Let's go. Here it comes. This is number 1. You going to count? Yes. Okay. Number 1. Good. Number 2. Good. Number 3. Good. And number 4. Let's put in 2 more just for good luck. 5. And what's this one, Mousy? 6. Right. Excellent. Good counting. Okay. All right. Put down the baking soda. And now we're going to get this is the, we still have some juice in there. Okay. We're going to get some vinegar. This is the vinegar. This is acid, right? Ooh, acid. Yes, I like acid. Acid base. Okay. This is acid, right? Okay. You can put that in your salad. You know that? Yes. Okay, all right. Now, this is a measuring spoon. We're going to squeeze in, hold it, squeeze in some of the soap. Okay, look at that. That's really good. Now we're going to mix in the soap here. Mix it up. I like the mixy. Mixy, I'm doing the mixy. Very good. Yeah, right. There you go, all mixing. This is great. Are you ready? I'm ready. Okay. Go for it. Mousy, show me your stuff. Oh my God, Mousey, quick, stop it, it's overflowing. Mousey, cool, go get a cork, Okay, go. Ooh. Oh, Mousey, that was such a good idea. You saved us from having a big mess of bubbles. Well, that's very exciting. So let me tell you, boys and girls, what this bubble thing is all about. Have you ever seen a square bubble? No. No square bubbles. Right. No square bubbles. That's because bubbles are lazy. They don't want to spend any energy to look at the bubbles still coming. Oh, push it down here, push it down. The bubbles want to do the least amount of work to become a bubble. And the least amount of work is a ball or a sphere. That's why all bubbles are always round. So now, the soap makes the skin of the bubbles really tough. So the air inside, the gas from the acid and the base, the gas fills up the bubble. But the skin of the bubble is tough. Right, it's tough. Right, it's tough and it doesn't break. And that's why we have all the bubbles from the acid and the base.